What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday evening. I've been out here working this afternoon on getting the final things disconnected from the car, and we are just about ready to pull it. So let me show you where we're at. Some Z1 test pipes that I'm going to get sold, and as you can see, all kinds of parts pretty much everywhere. Just getting ready for the car to have the engine pulled. So I have been working tonight specifically. I drained the transmission just so I don't have to deal with that mess. And pretty much the only things left are the engine mounts, the trans mount. I need to disconnect the clutch, and there's one sensor back right around the shift linkage, which I have to disconnect too. That is just a huge pain. Like I tried every way I could to get my hands in it and disconnect it. But as you can see, I've pretty much gone through and I've labeled all the different areas of the harness to make it a little bit easier to deal with putting everything back together. So it's all, and I just basically just took this thing and I just flipped it. Let me zoom out here a little bit. And it was all connected like this, and I just rolled it right over to the other side. So that should be enough out of the way. Once I get that last sensor disconnected in the back, I'll pull all this out and then out of the way, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it will just slip right out the front tomorrow morning. So that's the last things there. Got some new parts that we'll talk about real quick. The biggest, most recent thing here, huge box, of course, is the turbo kit, all the cold side, hot side piping, intercooler, some lines. But we got the Garrett G35 900 turbo right inside this box. And then we have the 1.01 AR turbine in here that will be powering this whole project, and I'm super excited about it. So I'm actually not going to open this up tonight. I just wanted to make a really short, quick video to upload because I'm going to be filming tomorrow. I have a buddy Kyle coming over, and hopefully my buddy Tyler coming over at some point, and we're going to get this motor out, and then we'll be able to talk, and I'll pull that turbo out, let you check it out, but I am super pumped. So really, thanks for everybody that's stuck around on the channel. I know I don't film a lot, I don't upload every day. I just try to capture some moments when I get some progress done, so that way each time you watch a video, there's something to actually see, and there's an actual update, because sometimes I went 2 or 3 days without really doing much of anything just because of the week and work. So that's it. So last thing, let me show you with my boots here. This is the big stack of engine parts that are pretty much going to be ready to go to my engine builder. I'm going to have a good buddy of mine that's well known in the community do the short block for me, balance everything, and really just get in there and make sure I don't miss anything. So I know my limitations. Someday I'll probably will get a spare motor, and I'd love to just put it back on this stand and tear into it and learn some different things. But for this and what I'm trying to do, and just have it done properly, done right the first time, I'm going to trust a buddy that definitely knows what he's doing. So thanks again for tuning in tonight. I'll try to upload again tomorrow, and we'll talk some more about parts. We'll have the engine out, we'll have it on the engine stand, and there's only a couple accessories I plan to pull off. It'll pretty much be ready to go down actually to the Atlanta area to the builder. So super pumped. There'll be a few other projects. Oh, I ordered a new exhaust too, by the way. So I'll probably hold off to tell you guys exactly what that is. I did put it on my Instagram story, so if you caught it, you know what it is. But I am switching it up. I love the Motordyne. The Motordyne is for sale. So you can see here, I have the Motordyne. I guess this would be considered the XYZ pipe is out. Everything's in really good shape. I've had this exhaust a while. But, I mean, even the flex pipes have, like, the tiniest little nick, but everything else is just in really, really good shape. So I'm going to get a lot more videos of that coming out of the car. And when I have all the other parts out, I'll get some video and some pictures of that. So the big thing with that, the reason why I had to switch it up was the, I guess what you'd call the mid pipe coming off of the turbo kit, right off the downpipe. Is a standard 2-bolt 3-inch flange that would bolt up to basically the stock exhaust style, any aftermarket style, most aftermarket styles of exhaust just bolt right up. But with the Motordyne, it's a completely different style and has a V-band. So I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna have to potentially, I'll just set you up somewhere. Let's see if this works. It kind of works. So I was gonna potentially have to hack up that turbo kit mid pipe, have somebody do some really good welds and cuts, and have it match up and put a V-band flange and just bolt up to the Motordyne. So I considered that for a little bit, but what I really was thinking about was somehow I'm going to have to get the car running, bleed the coolant, make sure everything's copacetic, and then drive it to a different shop, get it on a lift, have them do all the custom work. And I just thought, you know, I've had the exhaust a while. I really like switching things up. So ordered a new exhaust. It's going to be a standard 3-inch 2-bolt flange. It'll bolt right up to the kit. It's going to be really cool. So it's one I haven't really seen many people run. So hopefully it'll be good. Hopefully it'll fit with the Voltex diffuser. I don't want to have to hack that up or trim that. So the idea is that it'll fit without much issue. So that's it. I know I've said that a few times. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys tomorrow.